Okay, New York Open. Right now, I'm just mapping out the opening range. So, the first minute of the New York session, I use the opening range a lot. Basically, I use the opening range and the 9 EMA, and that's kind of it. Um, so, I mapped it out. I will do another video on the trade that I use those opening range boxes for. Basically, it's just looking for price to break the opening range and then to kind of quickly get sucked back in. And that's the area where I would enter, where I would need the candle, the signal candle to close to enter. So right now, the MA I think is down about 30 points. So I'm looking for shorts. I don't have it in, so I guess I didn't like that signal candle, so I'm not in a short yet. Now this one I'm thinking, okay, this looks like a better short if the candle closes red, I guess in my case black. So I just wait for the candle to close and then I would be getting in like a tick or two below the low. Okay, so that trade triggered right away. Now, what happened here, my plan and what I do on a good day is I close it up and that's it. I take the one trade, I come back, I check it later. If I lost, I lost. This one lost while I was still adjusting the TP on it. I do 1.5 R, so I was just doing the math and didn't get it figured out and moved in time. And then as you can see, I'm setting up to take another short, which I'm not supposed to do. It's supposed to be one trade. So today was definitely a fail on discipline. But this one, it came up, it tested the opening range there and then quickly rejected. And the entry was below the MA. So I liked that one. But I put my stop sell in and it was rejected. I didn't get it in quick enough. So because I missed out on one yesterday and I think on Friday with that, I just went market and got in. So this trade's doing well. I'm panicking though, I think because I already took a loss and now I'm focusing on the P&L. I don't want to lose more money. And I got that slightly worse entry by like 3 or 4 points. So I moved my stop down just into profit a bit. And then I TP'd early. I just went, okay. And you can see I'm looking at my P&L, which I'm not supposed to do. I'm trying to focus on the trades and the process and just taking good entries and sticking to my plan and not, I guess, going based on emotion and where's the money. So I'm still watching. So I've taken 2 trades. It's supposed to be one. Seems like if I've broken one rule in the day, like if I break one, then it's not like I'm just going to break 2. It seems to just keep going. So this actually is my ideal trade setup right now. The MA's down more than 50 points. Price came up, just touched it, and then rejected. I didn't take this trade because I didn't like the signal candle, which isn't in my rules for the trade. Like typically it doesn't matter what the signal candle looks like on it. If the MA is like that and it comes up and touches, then I get in on the direction of the trend. This was a 35-point stop. So I was just kind of, I don't know, afraid to take a 35-point loss on it. And then obviously I had to sit and watch the trade go on and win without me. It easily got the 1.5 R. I think it actually ended up in the end going like 4 or 5 to 1. So it was a good trade and it sucks that I didn't take it. So I took 2 trades at this point and I was still watching. I took 2 trades. I missed a good one. I definitely should have closed up after missing a good one because when that happens, when I see my setup and I pass on it, it's usually I don't take a good trade after that. But this is my trade setting up again here. I took it, got in on a stop. It was about a 22-point stop on this one. And again, I'm still watching the trade, so I disregarded the rules early on, and then that's it. Okay, that one I moved my stop down into profit. I think this one was the 35-point stop. So I got stopped out. It went down. It actually went for, it didn't quite get 1-to-1. It came within like a point of getting 1-to-1. And now I'm looking for another short, but also sort of like the first signal for me that there might be a reversal coming is that it doesn't even get 1-to-1. Okay, so I got in again. And I think I'm just going for 1-to-1, but it looks like I didn't even move my, okay, now I've moved my stop for 1-to-1 on this trade. And then this trade gets stopped out there. And now I just marketed in long. It seems impulsive, and it was, but like I said, that first setup where I got like the little 3-bar reversal where it touched the MA and it didn't get 1-to-1, and then it came up again and it got taken out, usually that for me is a pretty strong sign that we're going to get a reversal. And if you look at my daily chart that I have open on the right side of the screen, I had this area where it came down to marked out as like, okay, this is a good area for it to, I guess, bounce, reject from. A good area of support, I should say. So I took that trade. I got out. I think I got about 30 points on that trade, 27, 30 points. Now I'm looking for longs. The MA has come up a little bit. So I've taken 5 trades at this point. MA's come up a bit. And obviously I could have done better on that trade that I took. Now I'm just waiting to see if it comes back down to the MA and I get like that little touch of the MA and reversal back up. Which I don't know why I'm moving my screen around so much. This is sped up a lot. I am on the 1-minute chart on NQ, by the way. Okay, so this one triggers. It's a 17-point stop, and I left the TP at 15 points because it's just below 22. Is it, or are we at 23,000? I don't know, just under 200. So I thought, okay, the big round number, I will put it at 98. But I went, that's enough for me. I TP'd early, and that was it. This trade ended up not quite getting the 1-to-1 before reversing. So TPing early, I guess in this case, was a good thing for me. So that was today. I failed on discipline. I took 6 trades instead of 1. I watched them all. But they were all setups that I am looking for. So I didn't go totally crazy taking random trades. Like in the past, I definitely would have found myself just like, oh, it's going up, hit the reverse button, get long. Oh no, it's going down again. Like just really stupid, bad trading. So this wasn't great. I did make $205 and I'm on my Take Profit Trader eval account. I just started that last week. Yeah, they just had a good promotion and I thought, it might be better for my psychology to not have to pay an activation fee when I pass the eval, because a lot of times I've passed an eval and then I pay that activation fee, and for whatever reason I get like stressed about like, oh no, now it's I'm in Canada, so it's more. It's like now I'm in another $200 or whatever, and then I get the funded account and I quickly just kind of implode and blow it. I've had many funded accounts and only a couple of payouts. So I'm trying Take Profit Trader now. Anyhow, that's today. Unfortunately, first day of my 60-day challenge was a fail. And as per my rules that I've set out for myself in the challenge, I've decided to go with like, I guess like what any kind of addict would use in their program. Like if you're sober for 30 days and then you drink again or whatever, you go back to day 1. So my challenge, I'm going back to day 1 whenever I break the rules. So the rules are I take the trade, I set my TP and my stop, and I shut it down. I don't watch the live trades at all. I don't take more than 1 trade a day. And I have to wait at least an hour. I can wait more than an hour. That would be ideal to go and check the trade later and do my review on it. Yeah, so that's the challenge. So this was day 1, and sadly, tomorrow is also gonna be day 1 of my challenge. Hopefully, I do better on it, better execution, maybe a little bit more patient on that first trade, and then definitely close it down and don't watch the trade. All right, well, thanks for watching, and if you wanna join me on this challenge, try it out, leave me a comment and let me know if you're gonna try to do 1 trade, not watch it, and see how long you can do it for. All right, see you tomorrow.